Hello everyone, I'm Wes Sego, and this is Application Deployment 1, Term 1404, Week 4 video. And in this video I'm going to talk about Lunar Observer. Lunar Observer is my project. It's an application for amateur astronomers who are looking to complete their lunar observation program for their local club or their national club. And as an astronomer, excuse me, as an amateur astronomer, we look at the moon. Basically, there are 2 times a month for us in the moon, and that is when the moon is closer to new moon, which would be the time when the moon is between the Earth and the Sun, similar to this time right here. This is when the moon is visible in the day sky, and that leaves the night sky quite dark for observing the faint fuzzies out there. So for approximately 14 days a month, we don't have to worry about the moon destroying our nighttime view. If we get a place that's far enough away from city lights and light pollution. But the other time of the month would be when the moon is approximately here, and this is closing in on full moon. And during full moon, the moon is in the night sky, and it's like a great big floodlight up there that kind of takes you out of the ability to observe the really good faint fuzzies out there. So it's during that 14-day period that typically the best thing to look at in the night sky is the moon. The Lunar Observation Program contains 100 items, 100 features that need to be observed to complete this observation program. And typically, it's not going to be done in one night, of course. I mean, that's quite a large feature set. So you're going to work at this at different times of the month. And sometimes it gets difficult to keep track of what all you have observed. And Lunar Observer is an application that just provides you with a really quick way to see that list and to see it in a graphical representation that makes it very quick for you to determine what's left to be observed. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up and give you an idea of how it looks. Let's see. Basically, this is the table view for Lunar Observer, and there are 3 sections: naked eye features that have to be observed, binocular features that have to be observed, and also, of course, telescope features to be observed. And you'll notice that some of the items are green and some of the items are red. The red items are left to be observed, they're yet to be observed in your list, and the green items are the items that have been observed. So going through it, Sea of Tranquility, everyone knows that's where Apollo 11 first landed, and we put the first American astronauts on the moon there. If we observe that tonight, we could hit mark observed, and there it is observed. If I kill the application and go ahead and stop it, you will see that it is saved. It does persist that storage so that you can keep track of those items as you observe them. Some other features that the program has, the moon phase section of the application will go out, connect to the Weather Underground API, and give you the age of the moon, the current phase, and the illumination percentage. You can see that currently the moon is 3 days old into its cycle. It's a waxing crescent, and it's 9% illuminated. And of course, that illumination data comes from grabbing the current latitude and longitude, the geo coordinates of where I am right now on my phone, and sending that to that API. And of course, there's an about page on the final tab that gives some information about the program and also about lunar observation program in general for most clubs. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone had a great week.